Hi guys, and this tutorial I want to show you how to create entire city using the Unreal Engine 5.7.3 and the City Engine create this nice city. Okay, let's go. Okay, first thing first, let's go and open this City Engine to create our city. After that, we import into Unreal Engine 5.7.3. Okay, first, let's open it. For this program, you can download from the Esri website. Okay, this is the interface of our City Engine. This we have to. You can start with a new scene right here. Start creating scenes from scratch, build city from map data, or generate an imaginary city. For in this tutorial, we will generate this imaginary city. For the next tutorial, I'm gonna build city from the map. Okay, let's go here. Open. Okay, let's name this one Unreal Fusion City. City. This is the dimension of city. Max height 400 meters. Okay, height maps this one. Textures. Make it to the sea. Hit next. Now. This layout of the cities, we have radius city, spiral, hexagon, Barcelona-like, Berlin-like, Siena. Okay, let's use this one. I like Barcelona. Cam city. For the city size, you can use this one, small or medium or huge city. For this tutorial, I'm gonna use this small city. Next. Okay. We have those 4 layouts. You can use this nice textures, science fiction or thematic or international city. I want to use the first one, international city. Select this and hit finish. Okay, it's working right now. It's creating the city. Okay, it's still creating the building of our city. Okay, you can zoom it by pressing this one and go here. This is our city. Okay, that's rotated. Okay, let's see. Go right here. Okay, it's Barcelona-like city. Okay, there is streets, as you can see. Buildings. I have a lot. Okay. Now, the next thing I want to do is to import this city to the Unreal Engine. Okay, how to do that? Press this arrow. Select all. And go here to file, export models. I want to export to the Unreal Engine. Okay, select this Unreal Engine. Hit next. Okay, for presets of the city, this is the output. Okay, export metadata on. Let's see this thing of geometry. What is good? Make it the same. Use Unreal base material. Okay, scenario. Okay, fine. Now let's hit finish. It starts generating the models. Okay, fine. The city is generated. Now let's close this. Save my Unreal Fusion City. Now let's open our Unreal Engine program. Okay, go here, create new project, select games, search, select third person as template, create Unreal Engine, Unreal Fusion, City, hit create. Okay, now let's go here to file, create new level, set basic level for now. Delete this and go here and save current level. New map. And now I want to import my city. I have to add this plugin. Go edit plugin, search for Data Smith. Okay, Data Smith importer, select OS2 and hit restart. Okay, close this. Return right here to content drawer and select my new map. And now let's see our the location of our project. You can get it here in documents, CityEngine, report workspace. This is my city. And here UF city. Okay, and go to models. This is my file. I want to import it to the Unreal Engine. ufcity.u data smith. This is my plugin. How to use it? You have to go here and select this one, data smith, and file imported. Go here, document, the engine, workspace. You have model and go models and one click right here. And here, he asked me to add the location. Okay, to add the before due to that, you have to add the new folder UF. And let's repeat the same process. Where is data smith, file import, and this one. Select this one. And choose my UF folder. Okay. Okay, it asks me to import geometry, materials, lights, cameras, animation. Okay, import up. Okay, now it's preparing static meshes. Okay, it takes some time because it's starting. Look like this. It's starting creating this. Okay, to make the process, speed the process, we have to go here to my Unreal Fusion City. And let's go here to geometry. We have 13,000 files. It's a lot. Press Ctrl A or Ctrl Q and enable Nanite. Okay, go here. Enable Nanite for all those meshes. Okay, after enabling Nanite, we have to add the speed of the camera 32. Okay, look at this. Okay, this is my city. You can play it. This is lot of buildings. You can select it in one by one and modify them, changing the structure of those. You can do a lot. Okay, let's looks good. Okay, thank you guys for putting this on for this tutorial.